With me right now is Katie Howe with the Towers, of course, and as usual, you got a couple events coming up.
We
Good to
do.
see you.
Yeah, it's good to see you. Thanks for having me today.
Yeah, we just got out of talking about Mother's Day, and Father's Day is coming up,
It
and also
sure is.
before then, on Sunday, June 10th, you have your buyer and realtor reception, right?
Yeah, we do these every couple months, a buyer and realtor reception. It's an opportunity. If you've never taken a look at the towers and you're kind of curious, you want to find out about it, it's an opportunity. We call it a potential buyer and realtor reception. So we have, if you're a potential buyer, maybe you haven't even thought about buying yet. You just want to come and get your questions answered.
Yeah.
That's what this is for. So that's this Sunday, the 10th, at 1:30. And
this is, I wanted to ask, we always talk about this, but I want to make sure that other folks know that you, meaning the staff at the Towers, you do not sell these.
Exactly.
They're basically, even though you have certain services there, it's a realtor who takes care of that. You can, when they come there to this, they can get a tour and look around, and there are realtors there, but that's how you buy these.
Exactly.
Okay.
And this is our way to just open it up, and there are realtors there that come and they're willing to show the units. So yeah, we're not realtors. We're not in the real estate field. They are privately owned condominiums in the Towers. Just like any other condo association out in the world, it's just we have very high level amenities. So we do have a lot of
But
extras.
you can certainly answer questions.
Oh yeah, and I'm there sometimes. Chelsea Sullivan there, our resident services representative, is there, and so she answers a lot of the questions. And we also have a panel of current residents there that day on the 10th. To answer questions about, okay, now what's it really like?
Yeah.
And the residents will tell you. They'll tell you what they have to deal with, what it really is like living in a high-rise building with 310 neighbors.
Yeah. Well, that's a good one to go to on Sunday, July 10th.
Yeah.
It's at 1:30. Please RSVP at 597-4278.
Yeah, that's our front desk line. Just RSVP so we have an idea of how many to expect.
All right.
But if you don't RSVP and you decide to come at the last minute, that's okay too.
Okay, now here's something you definitely need reservations for.
The brunch.
The brunch. Now you always do for their regular brunch, but Father's Day brunch, June 17th, you're really going to need reservations.
Yes.
Call now if you're interested.
Yeah, if you are at all interested, give us a call. I don't know if we're full yet, but we're probably close.
Okay.
Yeah, we have our brunch. It's usually the third Sunday of every month. Father's Day is the third Sunday, next Sunday, June 17th. So we've got openings. I don't know what time slots. Usually they start seating people, I think it's 11:30 to 1.
Okay.
Or 11:30 to 1:30. And so I'm not sure where the time openings are, but you would call our front desk, 949-597-4278, and they'll let you know if there's openings. And then that's a cash event. It's $26 per person, and you make your reservation, then come down and pay at the reception desk at the Towers, and then you're in.
All right, and that's a decent price because it includes tax, tip, and a beverage, and of course you got the usual things for your brunch. I know you have some great food there.
We do, and they just keep taking it up a notch. Every brunch
here's
gets
some
better and
photos
better.
of stuff.
Yeah,
this is from the Mother's Day.
Yeah, this is from the Mother's Day brunch.
And you got a lot of varieties. I mean, we didn't show everything here, but all the usual stuff will be there. It makes me hungry looking at the list right now.
I'm looking at the fruit picture.
Really
they had a chocolate fountain last time with all the things you dip in the chocolate fountain. So that's my favorite.
Can you take the bacon and dip it?
Chocolate
covered bacon.
You
folks,
probably
it's a big thing.
You probably can.
So go and get the bacon and dip it in there. Why not?
Well, we should have that for Father's Day especially.
Yeah, exactly. Well, again, give the Towers a call, 949-597-4278. For either one of these events, the buyer and realtor reception is on the 10th. Father's Day is, of course, on Father's Day. But particularly the Father's Day one, if you are interested, call today, seriously, because all your brunches fill up fast. This one is getting close to it.
It is, yeah. So let us know now.
And to be honest, for that price, you're not going to find that anywhere for Father's Day brunch.
Yeah, we have the best brunch price in town.
Yeah,
definitely.
You really do.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming on.
Yeah, thanks
I appreciate
for having
it.
Me. Yeah.
And anytime somebody wants to come over, if they can't make it to the buyer event, buyer realtor, they can stop by there and take a look around a little bit.
Yeah, they can definitely. If you can't make it to either of these events, stop by the reception desk at the Towers. They'll answer your questions, and they've got little packets of information. And if you have a realtor, great, have them come show you some units. There's there's a handful open right now.
Okay.
And then, but if you don't have a realtor, we've got cards for some realtors who are familiar with the towers at the reception desk. So just come, and Linda, our lead receptionist, happy to answer questions. She's great.
All right.
Yeah.
Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for having me. Yeah.
All right.